Hi everybody and welcome back to Rebellious Menstruation. I've done a video on using these salad spinners as a washing mechanism, essentially if you don't have access to a washing machine or if you just have a couple of things to wash. This is an IKEA salad spinner. There are a variety of different ones that you can get. It does have some IKEA Swedish name, to be honest with you. So this is what it is. I do actually use the liners that I wore throughout the week for this. So the liners that appear in this video that is going to come after this are actually soiled and dirty. They're just not. They just weren't used on my period. So we'll go through. Sorry about the video being very, very loud. We did have a cohort of cockatoos in our backyard at the time, and they were being very raucous because they were eating the macadamia nuts from our tree, which is fine because that's what birds do. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you at the end of it to show you how these pads turned out after I hung them in the sun. Hi everybody and welcome back to Rebellious Menstruation. What we're going to do today is like an alternative washing method. What we're going to be using is this salad spinner. Some water. This is just a tiny little bit of washing powder because you need really probably maybe even less than this. You do not need a lot just because this is really small. And this week's liners. This is just to timp out the water. This is my morning milkshake. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll get started. The construction of this is this basket and this lid, which has this turning mechanism in it. What we're going to do is put the powder along the bottom, see that, and then fill this up with about water to halfway. Which is great. And then we're going to put this basket in. We'll just layer the pads in. Around the outside. And add a little bit more water. Put the lid back on and then spin it. Remember to cycle it around and wash it in both directions because we want to get these as agitated as possible. Once this is done and they look relatively clean, what we'll do is we'll dump out this water rinse this out a bit. And then we're just going to do a spin dry. So this is just going to be a rinse cycle. I'm just going to wash them out like this. So that's our rinse cycle done. I'm going to pour this out. And then we're going to do a spin dry cycle. So just, of course, lift the basket. That's how much water came out, not a lot. We'll do this again just to make sure. After you've done this, what you can do is then just hang them out as per normal on your line or on your washing line. I hope this helps you for some people who live in apartments or somewhere where you don't have easy access to a line, but also this should actually help you out in getting your pads and liners clean. This also works for delicate underwear and shirts like silk, so you don't always have to get them dry cleaned. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully the noise quality wasn't too bad, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hi everybody and welcome back. You should have by now seen the middle of this video, which was the washing with a salad spinner. Just to also point out that you can use the salad spinner to wash other delicates like lingerie or a silk shirt, because it's going to be less disruptive than maybe your machine, or if you have something that's recommended for hand washing, this can kind of replace the hand washing because it's not going to be as intense as the machine will be. So these hung in the sun all day. So just to show you how clean these came up. They were soiled when I washed them in the salad spinner. To be honest, it's not necessarily a method that I would use all of the time. However, it is a viable alternative just in case you need something quick and on the go, or if you have other hand washables that you feel could, or that you don't really want to hand wash. You can use this method because it does also have a spin and rinse cycle. So that actually means that you could wash it and spin it dry. So there's probably a benefit in that, is that you can agitate it and then spin it out. So they showed up pretty clean. They showed up as clean as they would normally. So I just thought I'd show you guys the results of washing soiled liners in a salad spinner. I hope this helps somebody out. Other than that, all the contact details are below. The link to the salad spinner that I used will also be in the description down below. Again, the disclaimer is that I'm not affiliated with the company that made that salad spinner, and there are a variety of other salad spinners out there that are both bigger and smaller for you guys to use. So you know, you can pick them up from possibly your local $2 store anyway, if you think this is a viable option for you. Outside of that, enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon or evening, depending on where you are in the day, and I will see you next video. Bye.